Bytronic here today at the Smart Factory Expo, which runs from the 14th to 15th of November. We're here with our sister company LineView. Bytronic are here mainly to talk to customers and partners about vision inspection and vision technologies, how to improve their process and productivity within their plants, all under the banner of Industry 4. It's been a great couple of days.
Hi, we're here at the Smart Factory Expo with our partner company LineView, just to show some new technologies. This year we've brought along some thermal cameras. We're using those to demonstrate how we can see things that can't be seen normally by vision cameras. In the example behind me, we've got an application where we're looking at parcels and we can see the heated element inside the parcels. This is some really exciting technology that's pretty new to the factory environment, and we're here to bring it to the Smart Factory as an example of new technology that can be applied to help manufacturing processes improve.